So it's time to disassemble the crowd cylinder, and this nut's on there pretty good, this end nut, so I had to put it back on the actual tractor to get it off. But we'll show kind of the disassembly for this guy. So there's these cups, same as the other cylinders, and each cup comes off. See, it has a kind of a thrust washer and has a turn to it. And same thing on the other side. So, let's see if I can get it to focus here. So you can tell these are pretty shot. They were at least doing something. I could move the bucket and I could dig dirt and everything, but they weren't great. I think one of them really had was kind of blowing by on this guy. So I could lift pretty good, but I think when I was curling it was not so great. And this is the piston head, just like the other ones. Now I did notice these holes. I think these holes are supposed to line up with the tube where the fluid comes through, so when I put it back together I'll try to make sure I line that up. I'm not sure because when it came out pretty hard of the tube, but that's what we got to work with. So the wiper's obviously shot. You can kind of see there's a few little O-rings in there. So I bought all of this stuff and it showed up yesterday, so we're going to see if we can put this one back together.